In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start translating product details in the system. So here I've got my languages set up and I'm going to navigate over here to my products on the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and create a new product. I'm just going to call this product. I'm going to give it a price and leave the rest as is and hit save. All right, then I'm going to come in here and write out a product description. This is a product description of a fantastic product. Then I'm going to go ahead and save those changes. So now if I navigate to setup and languages, and I click into my language settings, again, you'll see that now products have been added to this section. If I click in here, you'll see all of the product information that needs to be translated. Again, you can manually translate this, or you can go ahead and use AI to automatically translate it for you. And that did that very nice and quickly for me. So that's already been translated. And when I view that on the system, you'll be able to see the translated language automatically when viewing the site in your user's preferred language. Before we move on to the next video, I'm not going to go through each and every individual part of the system and show you how it can be translated, because the thing is, everything you build out in the system can be translated. And this does include things like your program content. So any written content that you put into your programs, you can go ahead and automatically translate it through the system. The same goes for any forms you set up. Anything that requires written language, you can go ahead and automatically translate it. So in the next video, I'm actually going to show you how you can start applying this to your website and creating universal designs for your multilingual company.